Hey guys, welcome to Tutorials by David, and in this video we'll be having a review of the Prime Drops ED supplement. Does it really give a real performance or is it a scam pill? Hi everyone, so welcome to Tutorials by David, and in this video we'll be having a quick review of the Prime Drops. Is it a real supplement or scam hype? So without further ado, let us start. We have here the Prime Drops that is marketed as a liquid male enhancement formula promising stronger stamina, improved libido, and testosterone support, but the evidence simply doesn't back those claims. Its ingredients, like herbal extract like horny goat weed, L-Arginine, ginkgo biloba, each have some traditional or limited clinical use, yet the specific formula, dosages, and purity aren't transparently disclosed. What's more, most independent users raise red flags about exaggerated marketing, fake testimonials, and subscription traps, warning that it's far more hype than proven benefit. So, in short, if you're looking for a magic overnight boost, you'll likely to be disappointed. Though the product appears legitimate in the sense that it exists and is sold, but it lacks strong clinical backing and comes with the risk of over promising while under delivering.